Hey guys, so I just wanted to go over some updates I made in the OneNote for you guys. Shamia, just make sure that you do have access to the OneNote because this is where all the extra plans are going to go, and this is where all the data is going to go as well. So you'll click on for Alana. Here's her plans. So for next or for Monday for this week, so all the writing plans are there for her pullouts for you, so that way you'll know what she's working on. Um, and then Destiny's is the same. So her plans are here. Hers is basically just walking you through her playlist, just letting you know what's there for you to do with her. The last thing is this daily attendance. So this is more for you to access. So this will take you to a Google Docs page, and you'll just click on the date range down here. And then basically, since you'll be with kindergarten this week, I just want to click to make sure that they're in attendance. So usually it's Jordan and Alicia that are there. So you'll just click on the box. It'll turn into a check, and that's it. Then I'll know that they were there for the meeting. Same thing down here with Alana and Destiny, just making sure that they are completing their work with you. Because not all the time am I going to collect it for necessarily a data piece, but I do want to make sure that they are showing up for their sessions and that their work's being completed. If you have any questions about any of that or need to go over anything in the morning, just let me know. But I figured this was probably the easiest way, excuse me, the easiest way to kind of go over this stuff. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks a lot for all your help. I appreciate you. All right, bye.